Hello, Vidya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Vidya. How are you?
Fine,
Yes,
ma'am. How?
great. Nice to meet you and especially to congratulate you. So it is amazing results which you have brought, and especially in GK, like you got all India rank, international rank 3. अरे रे रे रे, ऐसा क्या
Thank
कर
you.
डाला आपने? हाँ विद्या, फ्यूचर
Thank
सिविल सर्विसेज आप ही क्लियर करने वाले हो. Yes.
thank you.
Yes, Vidya, you have done great job, and I would just want to congratulate you and your parents for doing so great in the SOF results. You have done very well in science Olympiads also. Although abhi usme single digit rank mein aana hai, but still you were there in the double digit rank. You have done well in maths also, and in GK you got 59 out of 60. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So that's really very great. सो विद्या, आप रेगुलर क्लासेस में आते रहे हो. ये आपके
Yes,
यस, समथिंग इज देयर ऑन योर लेफ्ट साइड. या,
yes, ma'am.
नाउ इट्स ओके. सो आप रेगुलर वेदांतु क्लासेस अटेंड करते रहे हो. आपको वेदांतु क्लासेस के बारे में पता कैसे चला था विद्या?
Ma'am, I was attending the YouTube classes and जो VSET exam हो रहा था उसको भी दे रही थी and when I got a scholarship, I enrolled myself for the regular courses and I also gave the board exam.
ओके.
उसके बाद से courses में मैं regularly enrolled हुई.
एंड वहाँ के प्रो कोर्सेज में आप एनएसओ और आईएमओबीओएस के कोर्सेज में आए. यस.
Yes, sir.
ओके, दैट्स
Yes,
ग्रेट,
sir.
दैट्स ग्रेट, वंडरफुल. सो आपको वेदांतु पर आने पर क्या क्या बेनिफिट मिला? लाइक हाउ वेदांतु हैज हेल्प्ड यू? कैन यू टेल विद्या?
As we all know that in the year 2020, if we see from a student's point of view, the education in the online mode was surely not much helpful for everyone, and for me especially in grade 8, the online education was not helpful because grade 8 stand as a foundation for our boards and many competitive exams. Also to crack our aim in the future, we need to build a strong foundation from these grades only, and online education was not much helpful for me. And so I started learning from various YouTube channels and watched various YouTube videos. Out of them, the Vedanto Young Wonder channel for grade 6 to 8 become one of my daily habits, and I was very much familiar with that channel. From that channel, I got to know about the VSET exam. I appeared in the exam and was eligible for scholarship. I also enrolled myself in Vedantu. From that, I got to know about the Volt exam, which was specifically to get students enrolled for various Olympiad and competitive exams. So I gave the Volt exam, and according to my performance, I was enrolled in 2 to 3 Olympiad courses. I started attending the courses, and I could really see the changes, and the education in those classes were really very helpful for anyone. The teachers are really very experienced and extremely talented. Learning from those teachers was really very fun and interesting. I was not familiar with online education earlier, but since last year when I started attending classes on Vedantu, it was really very easy and fun to use. Even a 5 to 6 year student can easily be get familiar with those classes. The classes are really very interesting and fun. Unlike many text and theories in the books, that the classes contain slides which has the whole chapter in crisp and brief manner. So I could really summarize and learn the whole chapter without reading all the books. The teachers really teach very well and clear all the doubts. They are really extremely talented and experienced. Also, in many Olympiad courses, there were few selected and qualified students. So, learning with them created a positive and competitive mindset. The web platform is really very fun and interesting to use. There were many activities and quizzes in the class which can do quick practice for all that what we have studied. There are test series and subjective and objective test which we can attempt to check our knowledge level and our understanding for any particular chapter. The teachers teach as well as clear all the doubts. Those classes could really build a strong foundation for anyone who wish to crack his board exam or any other competitive exam. Also for me, those courses act as a foundation for my Olympiads in grade 8, and I will surely be continuing in Vedantu to be prepared for my other AIMS boards and other competitive exam. Learning online from Vedantu was really very interesting and fun for me. I really had a great experience since the last year, and Vedantu platform is really very helpful for everyone. So I would like to thank to Vedantu platform and all the teachers. They are really very amazing,
And congratulations to your parents also as well. And now you are registered in 9th NTSC batch.
Yes, ma'am.
तो सीरियसली सारी क्लासेस को फॉलो करना है, ओके? एक भी दिन क्लास मिस नहीं करना है. कल मैथ्स में मैथ समझ आया था अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
थैंक यू, बाय बेटा, बाय.